Inflation has become a major concern for many American retirees, especially when it comes to the long-term security of your 401k and retirement savings. The cost of living keeps rising, and the value of your savings can take a significant hit if inflation isn't accounted for. You're probably feeling the pressure, wondering how inflation might erode the purchasing power of your retirement fund. But don't worry, in this video, I'll explain how inflation affects your 401k and offer practical steps you can take to minimize its impact. Before we dive into the details, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to get your free guide on why thousands of Americans are choosing to open gold IRAs to safeguard their savings. It's a quick read, and you'll see why more and more retirees are turning to this option. Now, let's talk about inflation. The reality is, inflation is one of the biggest threats to your 401k. As inflation increases, the purchasing power of your retirement savings decreases. What you could buy with $100,000 today may not be the same in 10 or 20 years. You might be thinking, how does this happen? Well, the main issue is that inflation eats away at the real value of your investments. The market might grow, but if inflation outpaces that growth, your purchasing power actually shrinks. Let's break that down. The typical 401k is mostly invested in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. While these can provide returns over time, they don't always offer a hedge against inflation. For example, during periods of high inflation, bond yields often lag behind, and stock market returns can be volatile. So, even if your portfolio grows, it might not keep up with the rising cost of goods and services. This is where gold IRAs come in. Gold has long been a safe haven during times of inflation. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold tends to hold its value and often increases in price as inflation rises. In fact, when the dollar weakens, gold tends to strengthen, making it a perfect asset to diversify your retirement portfolio. If you're concerned about inflation eating into your 401k or IRA, a gold IRA might be the solution you've been looking for. But it's not just about gold. Another way to protect your retirement savings is by investing in real assets like real estate or commodities. These assets tend to maintain their value over time and can act as a hedge against inflation. However, real estate can be tricky, especially if you're not actively managing properties, and commodities can be volatile and complex for retirees. When it comes down to it, gold IRAs still stand out as one of the best options for American retirees. They offer security, tangible value, and are easy to manage. The good news is that there are reputable gold IRA companies out there that will guide you every step of the way, ensuring your investments stay safe and continue to grow. If you want to see how easy it is to open a gold IRA, click the first link in the description to grab your free guide. So, if you're nearing retirement or already retired and have over $100,000 in your 401k or IRA or even $5 million in savings, then it's time to take a closer look at protecting your wealth from inflation. A gold IRA is a strategy that has helped thousands of retirees secure their financial futures, and it could help you too. Don't wait for inflation to erode your savings. Take action today and get the protection your retirement needs. To wrap it up, remember that inflation is a serious concern, but you can take proactive steps to minimize its impact. Whether through diversifying your portfolio or exploring options like gold IRAs, the key is to act now and protect your future. If you want to learn more, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free guide that will walk you through how to get started with a gold IRA. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.